You wake up one morning, place your feet on the floor, and something feels different. Your legs feel heavier, your knees hesitate. The strength you once trusted doesn't answer the way it used to. You tell yourself, this is just age. But what if I told you it's not just age? What if the real reason your legs are weakening is sitting quietly in your fruit bowl? Yes, fruit. The food you were told your entire life is always healthy. After 60, your body no longer reacts the same way. Certain fruits, especially when eaten daily, can silently steal muscle strength, worsen joint pain, and reduce circulation to your legs. And doctors rarely warn you about this. Today, I will reveal 7 common fruits that many seniors eat thinking they are healthy, but may actually be damaging leg strength, balance, and mobility. This is not about fear. This is about awareness and aging wisely. Stay with me till the end because I will also share better fruit choices that help protect your legs instead of weakening them. Let's begin. As we age past 60, 3 silent changes happen inside the body. First, muscle protein breakdown increases. Second, insulin sensitivity drops, even in non-diabetics. Third, low-grade inflammation quietly rises, especially in joints and blood vessels. When these changes meet high sugar, acidic, or rapidly absorbed fruits, the legs are often the first to suffer. Weak thighs, achy knees, heavy calves, poor balance. Now let's talk about the first fruit, pineapple. Fresh, juicy, tropical, often recommended for digestion, but pineapple is extremely acidic and very high in fast-absorbing natural sugar. After 60, excessive acidity can irritate joints and accelerate calcium loss from bones. At the same time, pineapple sugar causes rapid insulin spikes, which reduces the body's ability to preserve muscle protein, especially in the legs. Many seniors who eat pineapple frequently report burning sensations in knees, tight calves, and faster leg fatigue while walking. Occasional small portions are fine, but daily pineapple, especially on an empty stomach, can quietly weaken leg support structures. Now let's talk about a fruit that surprises many people, bananas. Bananas are famous for potassium, but they are also high in starch and sugar, especially when ripe. After 60, the body processes banana sugar almost like refined carbs. Repeated spikes in blood sugar increases muscle insulin resistance, making leg muscles less efficient at using energy. Over time, this leads to faster muscle tiredness, slower recovery, and reduced walking endurance. Another issue, bananas lack sufficient protein or fiber to slow sugar absorption in seniors. If you eat bananas alone, daily, they can quietly contribute to muscle depletion rather than strength. Next, grapes. Small, sweet, easy to overeat. Grapes are one of the highest fructose fruits. Excess fructose doesn't go directly to muscles. It goes to the liver, where it increases inflammation and triglycerides. This inflammation often settles in weight-bearing joints, knees, hips, and ankles. Seniors who eat grapes frequently may notice joint stiffness in the morning, aching legs at night, or swelling after long walks. The problem is not 1 or 2 grapes. The problem is bowls of them eaten regularly. Now let's discuss watermelon. Watermelon feels harmless because it's mostly water, but here's the trap. Watermelon has a very high glycemic index. It spikes blood sugar faster than many desserts, even though it doesn't taste overly sweet. These spikes damage small blood vessels, reducing circulation to the legs. Poor circulation equals cold feet, heavy calves, slower muscle response, and higher fall risk. Hydration is important, but watermelon is not ideal hydration for seniors with mobility concerns. Next, oranges. Oranges are healthy, but timing and quantity matter greatly after 60. Oranges are acidic and sugar-dense. Excess acidity increases joint inflammation and may worsen conditions like arthritis and tendon stiffness. Many seniors complain of knee pain worsening after frequent citrus intake, especially when taken in the morning on an empty stomach. Oranges are not evil, but daily large servings may silently aggravate aging joints. Now let's discuss green apples. Green apples are often praised for being less sweet, but they are highly acidic and still contain significant sugar. For seniors, this combination can irritate muscle-tendon junctions and increase leg cramping. Acidity also interferes with magnesium absorption, a mineral essential for muscle relaxation and strength. If you experience night leg cramps or tight calves, green apples may be contributing more than you realize. Finally, mango. Sweet, delicious, and one of the highest sugar fruits. Mango causes prolonged blood sugar elevation, not just a spike. This damages microcirculation, especially in the lower limbs. Over time, poor circulation reduces oxygen delivery to leg muscles, leading to weakness, numbness, and slow healing. For seniors, mango should be an occasional treat, not a daily fruit. Now, before you panic and stop eating fruit completely, let me be clear. Fruit is not the enemy. Wrong fruit choices, wrong timing, and wrong quantity are the real problem. So what should seniors eat instead? Berries, like blueberries and strawberries, in small portions. They reduce inflammation and support muscle recovery. Papaya, in moderation, supports digestion without extreme sugar spikes. Pears, with fiber, slow sugar absorption and support circulation. Kiwi, rich in vitamin C without excessive acidity. And most importantly, always pair fruit with nuts, yogurt, or protein to slow sugar absorption. Here is the most important message. After 60, your legs are your independence. Your ability to walk, stand, travel, and live confidently depends on how well you protect your muscles, joints, and circulation. Healthy aging is not about eating more, it's about eating smarter. Small daily choices decide whether your legs grow weaker or remain strong for years to come. If this message helped you, share it with someone you care about. Leave a comment below. Which fruit surprised you the most? And remember, aging is inevitable, but losing mobility is not. Protect your legs, protect your independence.